Thank you for purchasing Z Prime Plus. Z Prime Plus is a great choice to enhance the bond of your zirconia restorations. Begin the priming process by brushing on 1 to 2 coats of Z Prime Plus inside the restoration. Allow a 30-second wait time and air dry. It's important to note that the surface of the primed zirconia will appear unchanged before and after the primer application. Subsequently, try in the primer-treated restoration on the preparation to ensure a proper fit. To complete the priming procedure, thoroughly rinse the restoration with water and use oil-free air for drying. Here's a pro tip to keep in mind. Z Prime Plus should be applied on a clean, decontaminated, and properly sandblasted zirconia surface to provide optimum bond strength. In order to avoid the contamination of the zirconia surface with saliva during try-in, Z Prime Plus can be applied before try-in. This can be done even the day before the cementation appointment. Remember, don't forget to go over your instructions for use. Should you have any questions, call us at 1-800-247-3368. Yes, you can bond to zirconia with Z Prime Plus.